How to know if someone denies your friend request on Facebook? For that, you need to make sure that you watch the video till the end so that you get the solution to your problem. Without any further ado, let's move into the video. You need to first thing first open the Facebook application, and once you're on the Facebook application, tap on the friend icon at the top of the screen. Here, you need to tap on see all, which is at the right hand side of the screen, and now tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. At the bottom, you can see the pop-up message that says view send request. Tap on it, and here you can see all the list of the requests that you have sent to other users on Facebook. If you find the option of cancel in this way, that means they haven't yet accepted your request, rather than they had denied your request and did not accept you on Facebook. So if you want to cancel the request, you can simply tap on cancel and cancel the request if they denied you on Facebook. So in this way, you can easily find out if someone denies your friend request on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.